Are you fed up of seeing zeros across your affiliate dashboard? Are you sick and tired of trying method after method, only to have nothing to show for your hard work? Are you frustrated with contradicting advice you've been hearing from forums, social media, gurus? Look, I can totally relate. That's why you owe it to yourself to read every line on this page, because I'm going to show you how to, once and for all, make real money online using a tried and tested strategy as used by top marketers generating 5-figure monthly commissions. And if this sounds intimidating, don't worry. The same methods have been used to make $100 to $300 days. You can start small and then scale. First, here's what I want you to know. The techniques are learnable and scalable. Once you get a hang of it, you'll be raking in massive commissions day in, day out, like clockwork. Don't be surprised to start seeing your name dominating leaderboards and affiliate contests, be it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. It doesn't matter which affiliate network you're on. When you know these secret techniques, you too can be the next super affiliate. That's why I call this Commission Fire. Commission Fire is your playbook to making massive commissions with other people's products. There's a lot to cover in this video alone, but know this. Once you've mastered the skill to pay the bills, trust me, vendors will start coming to beg you to promote their product. There's an abundance of products out there, but few make it to the bestseller list, and that's why super affiliates are in demand. And you can make your commissions go on fire because you had the Midas touch. Be the sought after sales machine by vendors and the envy of your peers. And here's just some of the things you will learn. The mindset of a super affiliate. Uncover the myth of affiliate marketing and avoid the deadly mistake that most affiliates make. The criteria for choosing the best product to promote. The amazingly simple step-by-step process to killer reviews that gets buyers. One technique to triple your commissions without any extra effort on your part. And a lot more that's being covered. Again, I can only cover so much in this video. But finally, you can start getting stellar results from crushing your affiliate marketing campaigns and start generating a massive commissions. For many reasons, I should charge a premium for this training, but because I'm making this available as a digital course, I can cut you a discount. So it's not going to be $497, it won't be $197, it's not going to be $97 even, but just $17. Act now, click on the order button below and get instant access risk-free.